Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm super excited because I get to share with you one of my favourite foods to cook in the air fryer, and that is air fryer chicken drumsticks. Chicken drumsticks in the air fryer are absolutely delicious. They're probably one of the first things that we actually cooked when we first got into air fryers 12 years ago. But there was just one big difference between the then and the now. Back then, there wasn't such a thing as air fryer accessories, so the intelligent way of doing it was folding over a piece of foil to the size of your air fryer. Or if you got really clever, you'd have a silicone baking mat that you'd cut to the size of your air fryer. Either way, you were reshaping things that weren't fittable in the air fryer and making them fittable. But now we have wonderful paper liners and all these other things that we can now use in the air fryer. So why would you use foil or paper liners? Well, it saves on the clear up, and it's fine if you're just doing some drummers with salt and pepper on. They don't really need it. But what we're doing is we're doing some sweet chili using the sweet chili recipe from our new cookbook, which is Air Fryer Easy Every Day, and it's available to pre-order now. And we're so excited, and it's actually coming out a week early because people want it so quick, so we're so pleased about that. And also we're using, I mean, these are absolutely brilliant. These are the chicken drumsticks from M&S. And you know, whilst we always complain that M&S is too expensive, this one pack of drummers costs just £1.80. It's part of their cheap chicken range, but it still tastes so good. So we're going to use those, and we're going to use a paper liner because they exist now, thank God. And of course, don't forget to pre-order yourself a copy of Air Fryer Easy Every Day, because we even use chicken drumsticks as the demo for explaining the different types of air fryers, because it's just one of those easy foods. Because I keep getting it so dirty at the moment, you know, and that's my first copy as well, so I better behave myself with it. So I'm going to put that to one side because I keep getting it so dirty at the moment, you know, and that's my first copy as well, so I better behave myself with it. So I'm going to use the Philips because I love my Philips air fryer, and I've got some legs already on for dinner for the kids, so these drummers can go in this one. So paper liner, you've not used one before. These ones are more suited to the size of a jewel, but if you push them down and get them in the area, then they should stay in place okay. And then we can add in the drumsticks. If you've got some smaller ones, you can kind of fit them to one side. It's always the challenge, isn't it, when you've got a smaller air fryer, can you fit all your chicken drumsticks in? Yep, look, not bad, not bad. So I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe before I start messing about with the marinade. So the marinade that I'm actually using is part of our selection of marinades that we recommend for chicken in the air fryer, but it's also in its own standalone recipes, the sweet chili one with a delicious chicken breast recipe as well, so it's just one of those great all-rounders. So this is the chili marinade that we've made. It's absolutely amazing. And then you just want to spoon some over your drummers, and then you can use your hands to give it a proper mix in. Let's have a proper look at this chicken, shall we? And then you can give it a bit of a turn so that you can get in everything everywhere for you. And then that chicken is looking fab. And then a quick wipe on the hands, and we can get it on. So There's two ways of doing it when it comes to chicken drumsticks in the air fryer. The thing is, do you want an all over coating on the chicken, or do you just not really mind that much because you just want dinner quickly? If you're more, I just want dinner quickly, then you can put them on now and then you can cook them for 17 minutes at 180. But if you want to turn them, you should be looking at half that cook time, or maybe taking it to 3/4. So I'm going to take it to 3/4. I'm going to put them on for 12 minutes at 180, and then I can turn them over a bit and add a little bit extra marinade just to add some extra flavour to them. So we'll be back in 12. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So let's check on our chicken, shall we? So it's just done its 12 minutes so far. And as you can see, it's looking fantastic already. Let me give you a close-up of it. Oh, wow. So now it's just a case of turning it over. And that's where the problem often lies. Silicone, best for the air fryer, but I find they're a bit flimsy when it comes to turning the drummers. So you just need to be a bit careful with them as you're grabbing it. Look, that bit's a bit stuck to the paper. But yeah, you can see how anemic they end up on the other side if you don't turn them, but each to their own, because they're still cooked when they finish the cooking time, you see. So it's up to you whether or not you want to turn them. I mean, some people really like turning sausages, but I never turn the sausages, but mainly because when the air's circulating and they're moving around, they get an equal cook anyway. So yeah, nearly done. The odd rogue one at the end that kind of gets a bit stuck to it. So then let's get some more marinade going on the top. You don't have to double batch the marinade if you don't want to, but I think it's nice just to add some extra flavour. So then your chicken's ready to go back on now, and then we're looking at 180. Another 4 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So let's check on those chicken drummers, shall we? Oh, and wow, don't they look fantastic? Chicken drumsticks in the air fryer. I mean, you just can't beat them. They're just so lovely. And you know, like I say, you can use a sticky glaze like we've done here. You can keep it simple with just some salt, pepper and some extra virgin olive oil. But it's so good for meal prep, because if you think, that's using a marinade that I made earlier that I just had in a bowl in the fridge. I'd separated it into a few bowls so that I could use it over some different chickens, and it's just great. And of course, if you head over to recipethis.com and pre-order yourself a copy of Air Fryer Easy Every Day, we have plenty of information for you in there on not only learning how to use the air fryer as well as air fryer recipes, but chicken drumsticks and marinades, so that you can easily recreate something like this at home, and how much easier it can make meal times. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.